So just few hours left for the Basant Panchami, Holi, Isnan, and scores of devotees are rushing to Prayagraj, thronging the Leteo Hanuman temple. As you see the visuals out here, that police announcing that the doors of for darshan have been closed as per the timing, but you can see scores of devotees coming outside the temple or waiting across here. You can clearly see the prasad shops out here and a lot of women out here waiting for their turn to enter inside the temple and take the blessings from Lord Hanuman. So you guys are waiting out here for long, I am seeing. Have you got the darshan or waiting for the darshan?
We are waiting for the darshan.
Okay, so police is announcing that the doors have been closed. So will you wait till evening or what's your plan?
We don't know. I guess we will go inside and have the darshan as soon as possible. But we are planning to wait till the time we get the
What are
darshan.
your thoughts?
Yeah, we have returned from this place yesterday also. We could not get the darshan.
Okay, due to the rush.
Due to the rush. And due to the arrival of CM of UP. Yeah. So that's why.
Yesterday it was due to the VIP protocol. So we got stuck, and today also maybe due to the rush we are again.
Police is announcing, I am clearly listening that the doors, the kapat have been closed.
Yes, absolutely. And then I don't know whether
What's next? Will you guys be waiting here?
No, absolutely. We will wait for half an hour, then we'll move to Akhada only.
Because you cannot be staying here because it's not safe after that particular stampede. There's not holding area or something like that. So you must move to some other location, right?
Yes.
Okay, so these devotees out here have come here, though they did not get the darshan due to the rush or the VIP movement. But as police, then you can clearly see that they are alerting the people to not stand at one place and move to some other location because very clear, it's not the holding area. So you cannot stop or wait for your turn for either darshan or the holy dip at this place, especially after the incident that happened in the night of Moni Amavasya. With cameraman Rohit Samarth Srivastava for India Today.